The arrival something unusual has appeared in the silent dark. A faint, shimmering glow, not trailing behind it, but glowing ahead, pointing straight toward the sun. It's as if the light itself senses what's coming. As if the universe is holding its breath. And now, the first image arrives. Captured by the James Webb Space Telescope, the most powerful eye ever turned toward the void. Out there, between the planets and the stars, a traveler is moving fast. A wanderer from another system, crossing the boundary of our solar home. They call it 3I Atlas. It isn't an ordinary comet. It is a visitor, a messenger, a small, frozen piece of another sun's story. Discovered on July 1, 2025, by the Atlas facility in Chile, it immediately drew the attention of scientists worldwide. 3I Atlas is only the third confirmed interstellar object ever found, after Oumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019. But this one feels different. Its path, its speed, its strange chemistry, all whisper of something truly alien. It will make a single pass by the sun, then vanish forever into the black. A brief encounter, a momentary crossing of worlds. At its closest, about 1.4 astronomical units from the sun, it will flare with energy and reveal what lies hidden in its frozen shell. That moment approaches fast, late October 2025. Telescopes are ready. Anticipation is rising. This is more than just another comet sighting. It's a rare chance to watch matter born under another star react to the warmth of our own. 3I Atlas travels at breathtaking speed, over 130,000 miles per hour, racing through space too quickly to ever belong here. Its orbit is hyperbolic, a single, perfect arc of escape. It will never return. Already, it's showing signs that challenge everything we know. Spectral data reveals an unusually high ratio of carbon dioxide to water ice, much higher than any comet native to our system. Even its tail behaves oddly. Sometimes it points toward the sun instead of away, defying the patterns of ordinary solar wind. Is it rotating strangely? Is its surface built from alien minerals? No one knows yet. Every observation is a clue. Each frame of data adds another layer to its mystery. Comets are often called time capsules, but this one carries the memory of a different dawn, a frozen fragment of another world's beginning. Inside its icy heart, atoms and molecules hold the fingerprint of a distant sun, a star that may have faded long ago. As it moves inward, the warmth of our own sun begins to wake it. The ice softens, vapor rises, the nucleus glows faintly, and a thin, ghostly coma starts to bloom. From observatories across the planet, astronomers are watching the transformation unfold. The Gemini South telescope in Chile has already captured the first signs, a growing tail, a widening halo of dust and light. Each passing day, the activity increases. Jets burst from its surface, microscopic grains scatter into space, and the comet slowly comes alive. This is a cosmic performance, a real-time experiment written by nature itself. When 3I Atlas reaches its peak near the sun, it will blaze brighter for a few precious days, then dim, and drift back into the infinite dark. But in that brief time, it will leave us something lasting, clues to other worlds, hints of other skies, and the quiet reminder that even the smallest traveler can cross the stars to find the light once more. The sun awaits. A blazing sphere of energy and light. It is both witness and participant. As 3I Atlas approaches perihelion, everything begins to change. Solar heat stirs the ancient ices within. Carbon dioxide, water, and exotic volatiles sublimate. Jets erupt from fissures, sending plumes of dust and vapor streaming outward. The coma expands, a ghostly halo around the nucleus, and the tail stretches, swaying under the sun's invisible hand. strange patterns emerge. Sometimes the dust points toward the sun, not away, defying the patterns of ordinary solar wind. The sun becomes a sculptor. Radiation pressure, magnetic fields, and solar wind shape the comet, creating structures unlike anything in our solar system. This is a laboratory, a place to study alien matter under the influence of a star. Every photon, every gust of solar wind, interacts with material older than our sun. The comet's hyperbolic path means it will accelerate toward perihelion then decelerate, slipping back into the void. Yet even in that short time, the data is priceless. Astronomers measure the nucleus size, the mass loss rate, the dust-to-gas ratio, and compositional changes as it warms. Observatories on Earth, in orbit, and near Mars capture unique angles, revealing a three-dimensional portrait of this alien visitor. The chemical signature is astonishing. A high carbon dioxide to hydrogen oxide ratio, different isotopic ratios, hints at formation in a colder, more distant environment. This interstellar comet is a messenger, carrying the history of another planetary system, written in ice and dust. As it nears perihelion, the sun's gravity curves its path, radiation accelerates sublimation, and every solar interaction leaves its mark. The comet's tail dances in the solar wind, fine dust drifting rapidly, larger grains forming narrow trails, ionized gas swept into intricate patterns. Will it hold together? Or fragment under heat and stress? Every outcome carries lessons. If it survives, we learn about strength and resilience. If it breaks apart, we learn about fragility and ancient history. The sun is not passive. It awakens material frozen for billions of years, and we watch the process unfold. The comet becomes a bridge between worlds. A relic shaped by distant stars, now modified by our sun. Dust and gas escape, leaving clues about its origin, cosmic radiation exposure, and interstellar processes. Thermal processing, volatile depletion, dust dynamics, and ion interactions, all are exposed for study. The sun also teaches us about galactic exchange. A star does not merely shine. It transforms, temporarily hosts material from distant systems, and 3I Atlas proves the galaxy is dynamic, where small bodies wander from star to star. The sun becomes a time machine. Heating reveals material from another era, perhaps older than our solar system. It illuminates ancient chemistry, shows interstellar travel, and reveals processes from vanished worlds. Perihelion arrives. The comet shines, jets plume, tails stream, dust spirals outward. Data floods in, spectra, images, trajectories, composition, all bearing the sun's imprint. Then the moment passes. The comet recedes, slowing, fading, leaving the inner solar system. But the sun's mark remains. Surface modified, volatiles lost, tail-shaped, orbit altered. A relic of another system, reborn under our sun's gaze. The encounter reshapes science. It forces us to rethink comets, planetary systems, and the galaxy. It reminds us our solar system is part of a vast, interconnected cosmos. 3I Atlas leaves a story. The sun is the narrator. And together, they reveal secrets from across the stars. This is more than a passing comet. It is a cosmic dialogue. Between a star, a traveler, and those watching from afar. The sun has spoken. The comet has answered. And humanity has witnessed the transformation.